Your 2000 R-22 air conditioning unit struggling to keep your house at 72 degrees on a 98-degree day is actually pretty normal, but there are some easy ways to make it work better without breaking the bank. First, make sure you keep changing those air filters regularly because clogged filters can really mess with airflow and cooling efficiency. Also, clean the outdoor condenser coils whenever you get a chance, since dirt and debris make it harder for your unit to shed heat. Next, check if your blower motor is running smoothly because if it's weak or faulty, cool air won't circulate properly inside your home. You can also try setting your thermostat a little higher during peak heat hours and using fans to help spread the cool air around more evenly. If your house has poor insulation or no attic access like you mentioned, sealing any leaks around windows and doors can help keep the cool air from escaping. Scheduling an annual professional HVAC tune-up to test refrigerant levels and look for leaks is smart too, especially with older R-22 units that lose efficiency over time. Remember to avoid cranking the temperature way down because that just makes your system work harder without cooling faster. Lastly, using the cooler early mornings and late evenings to cool your house before the heat hits can save your unit from running non-stop during the hottest parts of the day. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with aging R-22 air conditioners is ignoring refrigerant leaks or low refrigerant levels, which causes poor cooling and higher energy bills. The fix is to have a licensed technician check and recharge the refrigerant while sealing leaks. Another common issue is dirty condenser coils that reduce heat transfer and force the system to work overtime. You can prevent this by cleaning the coils regularly or having a pro do it during maintenance. Third, many owners don't address poor airflow caused by dirty filters or blower problems, so make sure you swap filters every 1 to 3 months and get the blower checked if airflow feels weak or uneven. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who specialize in HVAC maintenance and repair, so you don't have to stress about picking the right person for the job. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you connect with homeowners who need your skills, making it easier to get consistent work in your area.